Hello friends, how are we all? Trust all over the world. Welcome and thank you for joining me on this session today. Do not forget to press the like button and also subscribe my channel and do press the bell button. So for the session of today, come.
The dal the Mughals so loved that they just added butter and cream to it. How to make the age-old classic Dal Punjabi in Dhaba and Restaurant style. But before we go on to the recipe, a brief history of Dal Punjabi. The origins of Dal Punjabi or Kali Dal or Maa Ki Dal can be traced back to pre-Mughal era, that is before 16th century. Black lentils are made in 3 different combinations in different parts of India. When the Mughal emperors tasted these dals, they were underwhelmed. They wanted something richer, creamier and more indulgent. Later, some creative Mughal chef or chefs added butter and cream to Dal Punjabi and Dal Makhani was born. And now for the recipe of Dal Punjabi. Red kidney beans. Add spring or underground water from any natural source. Black lentil, maa or kali dal, and must be at least 2/3 of red kidney beans. Add water from any natural source and allow to soak for 8 to 12 hours. This is what they will look like after 8 to 12 hours of soaking. They have softened. Rinse and wash the black lentil well under running water. Ensure no particles of sand or dust or any foreign material are there. You can even rub the dal as lots would like to do. Add the black lentil to a cooker. Rinse and wash the red kidney beans well under running water too. Again, there should be no sand, no dirt, no foreign particles. It should be absolutely clean. And now add the red kidney beans to the cooker. Add water from any natural source and add ginger, minced or grated, garlic pods, whole, minced, grated, it doesn't matter, but as per as your taste. Turmeric powder, sea or any natural salt, pre-melted desi ghee or mustard oil as you prefer. Shut and cap the cooker. Aag lagao and keep the flame or heat on high only and set the cooker. After the first whistle, adjust the heat or flame to low. That's it. Allow to boil for 30 minutes. Switch off the heat of the flames. Allow the cooker to lose its steam and then uncap it. And it's time to check if the dals have softened. That's what it should look like. And what a beautiful fragrance. What a beautiful fragrance. And yes, look, the lentils and kidney beans have softened. Green chilies as per as your taste and add to a blender. Ginger, add to a blender. Garlic, add to the blender again. Now blend into a coarse grainy paste. This is what it will look like and set it aside till it is required further. Now tomatoes, there, blend them into a smooth puree and set aside till the puree is required. Now aag lagao, set up a deg, kadai, skillet, pot or fry pan. Add mustard oil, kachi ghani of course, desi ghee and add bay leaf when hot. Cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, cumin, ginger garlic and green chili paste and stir well. Stir really well and vigorously so as the spices and the paste does not stick to the bottom or do not get burnt. So stir well and stir vigorously. Onion roughly chopped. Add them. Stir well, stir vigorously so that nothing burns. The spices, the onion, nothing should burn. So this is the precaution that we have to take. So stir well, stir vigorously, cook and stir intermittently till the color of onion changes to translucent or opaque and becomes soft, as many would say. Continuous stirring, intermittent, and add tomato puree. Cook and stir intermittently till tomato puree begins to change its color and consistency. Look, the color is changing. The feel, the look, and what a fragrance. What a fragrance in the kitchens. Cook and stir it intermittently. Now add red chili powder, sea salt or any natural salt, turmeric powder. Cook and stir intermittently again till the water of the mix begins to dry and consistency changes. Look, this is what it will look like. Now, allow it to cook. Cook and stir intermittently till the oil begins to separate from the mix along with change in color and consistency. There we are. Can you see the oil separating? Yes. But wait, stirring is required. Otherwise it can get burnt. Now add the boiled black lentils and red kidney beans. Stir and mix the dal well. This is what it is going to look like. Time to taste the dal makhani and corrections if required. None. Now stir intermittently till the Dal Punjabi comes to a hard rolling boil and becomes homogeneous to the consistency that we would like to have. And stir. Stir intermittently. What a fragrance is there in the kitchen, and look at the dal. Look at the dal. Allow it to boil. When it has boiled, switch off the heat and Dal Punjabi is ready to be served. There, that is what it is going to look like. Beautiful, isn't it? Serve the dal with roti, naan, parantha or with plain or steamed rice, jeera rice or peas pulao. Enjoy with all your known, but don't forget to treat your enemies too.
So friends, do try it and do treat all your near and dear, and above all, your enemies too. Thanks for watching. Bye. Have a nice time. And as I always say, to live healthy, cook healthy and eat healthy.